Response procedures in case of a fire. Fire emergencies can happen at any time, and knowing how to respond can save lives and minimize damage. In today's video, we'll go through the essential steps to take in case of a fire. Let's get started. Sound the alarm and call for help immediately. This ensures everyone in the area is aware of the danger and that emergency responders are on their way. Only attempt to use fire extinguishers or other firefighting equipment if you've been trained. If you're unsure, evacuate immediately and leave it to the professionals. Ensure everyone is evacuated according to the local emergency response plan. Stick to designated evacuation routes and never use elevators during a fire. If it's safe to do so, isolate fuel sources and close doors to limit the fire spread. However, never attempt to extinguish gas fires. Leave those to trained professionals. Do not fight fires beyond the incipient stage or beyond your training level. Fires can grow quickly and become unmanageable. Always test the extinguisher before using it and approach the fire from the upwind side to avoid smoke and heat. Never operate an extinguisher in such a manner that any part of your body is located directly above the fill cap. After the fire is extinguished, stand by to make sure the fire does not start again. Reignites. Prevention guidelines take the following precautions to prevent ignition of materials, lubricants, and fuels used at job sites and work locations. 1. Check electrical equipment regularly for defects. 2. Do not smoke or use mobile phones or other electrical devices while refueling equipment. 3. Segregate welding equipment, asphalt kettles, heating appliances, and other open flames or hot surfaces from flammable and combustible materials. 4. Minimize the storage of classifier materials, for example paper and wood, in process and electrical area. 5. When transferring hydrocarbons, e.g., flammable liquids from a line or vessel to another container, make sure the source container and the receiving container are electrically bonded to prevent ignition due to static electricity. 6. Always fill portable gasoline containers on the ground and never place gasoline containers inside vehicle passenger compartments. 7. Report and repair all hydrocarbon liquid or gas leaks immediately. 8. Immediately remove ignition sources, e.g., shut down engines if there is a hydrocarbon release. 9. Use non-combustible or flame-proof welding screens around undercutting, welding, or burning operations that are next to or above hydrocarbon operations or flammable combustible materials. 10. Inspect and test all fire detection, e.g., smoke detectors and alarms, and fire protection, e.g., fire extinguishers and fire monitors equipment. 11. Do not use gasoline as a cleaning agent. 12. Do not use plastic containers for collecting hydrocarbon samples.